So how's it going, everyone? And I want to show you guys something really nice. So if I open my MT5 right now, let me open it for you guys. Now you can see I'm in a trade on EURUSD and I'm also in a trade on AUDUSD. Now if I show you guys how much I'm running in 209 209. Now if you look clearly, I'm in AUDUSD buy, I'm in EURUSD buy. Now just in case you don't really understand the market, I also sent out this trade to those in the Telegram. So if you're having losses, you don't really know your whereabouts in the market, I advise you to join the Telegram, because there I just I post free signals there. I'm going to be dropping the link to the Telegram group in the description of this video. Now let me show you guys something right now. If I go to the chat section, now if you could look clearly from this EURUSD trade, you could see I caught it from the beginning of the EURUSD trade. Now I know some of you guys were asking, how do you catch this trade? How do you know that the market was going to go up? Now let me explain it in the basic way possible. Now in case you don't know, there's actually a support here. There was a support in this market. I was monitoring it. Price was having a hard time breaking here. This is a signal that this is actually a very strong support level. So I took that into consideration. Now there's something I always look forward to, which is market reaction. I want to see that if price is at a support, if price is at a support, I want to see that market is reacting to that support accordingly, whether the market will change the trend. You understand? So as I notice the support right here in the market, the next thing I just wanted to see is like a big bullish candle that will confirm are going up in the market going up. You understand? I think it was around 8, was it 8 or 9 or so, that this candlestick came up. This big bullish candlestick came up. When I saw this big bullish candlestick, I was like, this is it. This is the trigger. I have to pull the trigger here. So right there, I bought EURUSD and I sent the signal to those on the Telegram. This is one reason you should definitely be on this. As usual, I have to keep my stop loss below this candlestick, making sense, right? Now if you look at my chart, you could see something like the moving average. You could see two moving averages. Now the moving averages I have on here is the 9 moving average and the 25 moving average. But one thing about this 9 moving average is that it helps me show that the trend is intact. The market is still in that trend. This 25 moving average is trying to show that okay, the market is in a buy position. It's in a buy position. But this one is just saying, the 9 moving average is just saying the market is active. The trend is active. If you know that Charlie Poppy song, so it's active. Hello, active. So yeah, that is basically it. The 9 moving average is show that the market is active, and that's basically it. And if you look at the 9 moving average, you can see that price has been respecting the 9 moving average throughout. So as long as price is respecting this 9 moving average, come on, I'm holding this trade. So now for the second trade I took, which is AUDUSD. So the funny thing about this AUDUSD trade is that I was not looking at AUDUSD. I was minding my business with EURUSD and GBPUSD. So it's, one of my mentees that sent me this setup, and I looked at it and it was just so much making sense. Then I had to inform other people in the mentorship group to go ahead and take this AUDUSD trade. Now basically it's still the same concept with EURUSD. Now if you look at it, there's actually a very good support at this area in the market. A very good support at this area in the market. We saw that prices are above the moving average. So what do you have to do? You have to buy. Then we have to place stop loss below the moving average, and then we took this trade. Now the time that we took this trade was about 8 a.m. still about the same time with EURUSD. There's something called sessions. Now there's something called session in the market. There's AUDUSD and there's EURUSD. Euro is a London session pair. Euro is a London session pair, while AUD is a Sydney session pair. Now I don't know wherever you're living in the world. Now the beginning of London session is like my morning, and the end of London session is like my night. Now the beginning of AUDUSD is like 12 a.m. in my time, so it's already midnight in my time. So it's only that time this pair will move. So we had to be patient to allow this setup to really play out, because we know that this is actually an Australian session pair. This is like a 9-time pair in our own group. So now time is currently like 6:57, and by 8 a.m 9 a.m is actually London session. So we just get to prepare for all of that. So as for the broker that I'm using right here, I'm using Vantage Market. Now Vantage Market is a very regulated broker. They have good spreads, they have good withdrawal. Now deposit and withdrawal on Vantage Market is very fast. Now if you want to deposit, I advise you deposit with crypto because that one goes in seconds, and whenever you want to withdraw, you could just get your money in no less than 30 minutes or so, which is really nice in case of those urgent instances or so. So their spreads are really nice, they're regulated, get fast withdrawals, fast deposits, and overall they are regulated. So if you want to create an account, you can go ahead and use my link, in the description of this video. Go ahead and create an account. And so far, I hope you guys have been able to gain as much value as possible. By the way, if you're not very strong in the market, I recommend go ahead and join the Telegram group. So if you've not liked the video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not part of the family, make sure you go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. And with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.